is the super wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Oh, so this is a PDQ?
Yep. Okay, hello YouTubers. Today we're going to the PDQ Tandem ProTouch car wash at the Valero. The ProTouch Tandem. Here's the ProTouch. Stop. Okay, here comes some pre-soak.
What'd you say?
The pre-soak, and
okay.
And here's some pre-soak in the back too. I haven't been to Tandems in a long time, like in a long time. The last time I've been there was the Chevron. I haven't been to the system in a long time. Okay, looks like the top brush is about to spin. And this one has two machines on the rail.
Oh, one on each side. That's why they called it tandem.
Yeah.
Tandem means two.
This is my second time going to a Tandem.
Okay.
So the top brush is done. So right now it's doing the side brush. Okay, the brushes. Right now they're moving. They're doing the front first, and then they'll come on the side. I'll show you the Valero gas station once we pull out this car wash. Okay, it's gonna give another pass. Okay, the brushes are coming. It's now on my side. And it's gonna do the wheel scrub. Here's the wheel scrub.
The Deluxe has a wheel scrub?
This Tandem, yeah. Okay, it's gonna scrub the front right now, the wheels. That's what the wheel scrubbers are doing. Okay, looks like it's gonna be at the tri-foam. Oh, it's good colors, good colors. That's a good tri-foam. Like, look at it, it's a good tri-foam.
I think so.
Okay, it's gonna do a high pressure rinse.
No,
It's gonna rinse out the foam. Okay, here comes the dryer. The dryer. Don't put it in drive yet. Don't put it in drive yet.
I'm not. You tell me when. I'm going by what,
Right.
what you say.
Right now it's doing Rainix and then we'll do a dryer again.
Okay.
They just do a double dry. So here's some Rainix, but a little bit of soap. Okay, here's the dryer.
Okay, so we hold still?
Yep, with rain bars.
Okay.
Second dry. It's coming back. And here's some steps. We got them all, the steps.
We got them?
Yep. Okay, so once we pull out, I'm going to show you the gas station. Okay, drive it. Yep, I'm gonna show you the gas station.
Okay. Oh, you're showing the YouTubers?
Yep, I'm
so
gonna
drive around the gas station. And
well,
then we'll go.
I'm gonna show it to them. There, here's the back of the store.
And there's the gas station.
Yep, a gas station. And here's the store right here.
That's the Valero. Okay. It looks like it did a good job. What do you think?
It looks like it's a good car wash. And here's the Valero sign. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy tubers. This was a PDQ ProTouch Tandem car wash at Valero gas station. Bye.